Hey guys.
Hi.
It's time we had a little talk. As you can see, we're sitting where the Conquest normally stays.
Resides.
Resides. But a lot of you probably already know that I no longer have the Conquest. I sold it. I know what everyone's gonna say. You only sold it because you got the Mustang now.
I told you. I called it. I called it.
But guess what? Mustang's gone too. Yeah, I sold both of them. Reason being is because the Mustang, I couldn't trust that thing. It kept breaking every week, and it'd be down for months.
Spent as much time in the garage as the Conquest did.
Yeah. The Conquest, I just felt like I couldn't provide for it any longer. What are you eating? A leaf. I wasn't doing it any justice by just letting it sit in the garage. So, I came to the conclusion to sell both of them. This was solely me. This had nothing to do with anybody else. I came to the conclusion to sell both of them and get something a little bit...
A compromise between the two.
Yeah.
Something fun.
Something fun that I can just get in.
And drive to work.
And drive. Take Lucas to school. Excuse me. COVID. Something I can get in and drive and just, have fun with and take Lucas to school and not really worry about it breaking down because I'm not going to say it's new. Well, it is newer than both the cars I had.
Here was cash.
2000. But I did get something else. So yeah, it's been about a month. And I was just getting tired of the same old, it broke, gotta fix it. I wasn't having any fun with either of the cars. I didn't get excited about working on the Conquest or the Mustang. So that's, where we are today. It's been about a month since we filmed last because I didn't really want to keep putting out the same videos. So in a little bit, we'll take a look at what I have acquired. Oh, and by the way, this is Kuiper. He's a Bernese Mountain Dog Poodle mix. He's a Bernie Doodle. He's big and dumb. And he's our new mascot.
Needs a shirt.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna go check out what I got. So what we have here is a 2004. I said it was newer. Mach 1 Mustang. It only has 65,000 miles on it, almost 66. But yeah, I picked this up probably about a week ago. Been driving it, and I absolutely love it. Still, even with the other Mustang, I never thought I'd say it, but it's a badass car. I also wanted to get something with that badass factor to it, and I just the normal Mustang GT just wasn't doing it. I feel like the Mach 1 has that cool, like, James Dean-ish feel to it, like greaser badass feel to it, whereas
Don't you mean the Bullet?
Oh, I forgot about that one.
Just saying.
I had a whole spiel and you just
I killed it.
killed it.
Well, sorry,
I was gonna say, like, the Terminator's like the bodybuilder of the group, and Mach is like the greaser of the group. But then you bring up the Bullet, and it just doesn't make any sense now.
You were making the James Dean comparison, which I know wasn't James Dean.
But yeah, this has the 4-valve V8. The previous one I had the 2-valve V8, and I do have to say they are a night and day difference.
Mm-hmm.
Two different. Well, I'm not gonna say two different animals because one of them is not an animal. But yeah, there's a couple things done to it already. It's got the JLT ram air intakes. It's got the cool shaker hood, stock manifolds. It's got these fancy wheels on it. I don't know who makes them, so don't ask me. Supposedly it's got new shocks all the way around. It's got these adjustable plates on there. It's got full exhaust from the cat back, or the H pipe back. Yeah, it's a pretty clean car. It's got, I think it's Flowmasters on it. The seats in these are so much more comfortable than the stock GTs too. I guess it's because of this right here, these ribs or whatever you call it.
Yeah.
Inside it's got a Pioneer touchscreen stereo, some car seats. Yeah, that's about it. I mean, nothing really else to it. That does have subframe connectors. I think that's about it. That's all I can remember, really. So yeah, we're gonna take it for a spin. I know Randall's already, he's been behind the wheel of a Mach before, and the last time I let him drive my Mustang, he almost tried to blow it up. So I'll be driving today.
Excellent.
But yeah, the reason why I bought this is because it's rad. All right, let's go take it for a spin.
Why are you yelling?
Because I'm hyped, man.
Right here, bro.
The clutch in this thing is so smooth.
It doesn't break your leg?
No. Well, I mean, it feels like it's upgraded, I guess.
But it doesn't, like, take everything you have to push it?
But
like on
like,
Mr. Gas?
you just let off it a little bit and the car starts to go.
Oh, nice. Well, yours got a lot better after the cable.
Yeah. Let it warm up a little bit. And it's wet out, so that's gonna be interesting.
Yeah, I let the dog out this morning and it immediately started raining. Like, he's not doing anything. Sounds good.
Oh, Jerry. Give him a ride.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it does sound pretty good. It's like so much smoother. I mean, the GT
Had a hard life.
It had a hard life, so
It's not all its fault.
yeah. But this could just 4-valve compared to 2-valve, it just sounds so much smoother.
And the 2-valve is gutless.
Yeah.
Like up high, it's just like, yeah.
All right, here we go. This should be interesting because it's wet.
Right to a ditch.
Yeah. That's a good sound though.
What?
4-valve V8 hitting red line. Sounds good.
Mod motors do sound good. 4 valves at least.
Yeah.
2 valves are kind of wimpy. I'm sure someone's feelings just got hurt.
Nah. Yeah, so if you don't know, everybody watching this is probably not really a Mustang fan, but if you come to Mustang Week, they're not doing it anymore in September. They have one last event, and it's in July. Come on.
What? I hate Mustang Week.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Do you really?
Yeah,
Why?
I do.
Why?
Because I don't like it.
Well, why?
Because I gotta hear a bunch of poopy coyotes like revving and being obnoxious. I need extreme. There you go. Hey, let's race.
Racing. I'm the fastest car in the world. It goes Mach 1. So I know probably a lot of you are saying, oh, it comes with 300 horsepower. And, 300 horsepower in 2021 isn't,
It's a V6.
it's a V6
Camaro.
Camry.
Yeah, that's right.
But it's,
In 2003, that was a good little bit. Ford,
Yeah.
sorry.
it was, it's fun as hell. But it's really wet out. I can't really do anything. And I'm not 100% used to the car either. And I'm traumatized from the last Mustang I owned because every time you push the gas on that thing, it would break. But this one's not like that. I gotta come up with a good name for it. So I know I couldn't get on it really, but compared to your dad's, I think it feels a lot slower than your dad's. Your dad seems more violent than mine. But again, I couldn't really get on it.
Yeah, it's hard to tell. Because that was just a lot of wheel spin. Like,
Yeah.
now I didn't. There was no power felt there.
Yeah.
It was just you roasting the tires off of it.
But the traction control on.
Mighty fine wheel spin you got there, buddy.
These tires. It's got some meat on it too.
I just,
10.5 wide, and they're 40 series tires. They're BF Goodrich.
I like them. They look good on it. They look good with the body style.
Live axle life, baby.
It's no fun. Stupid wet road.
Four valves of fury. Pretty quick.
Where's the turbo?
Yeah, so I don't really have any big plans for this car. I'm not gonna go out and turbo it or put a supercharger on it right away. I'm just gonna enjoy it for how it is right now, and then maybe later on down the line start doing little things to it. I do want to lower it a little bit because stock ride height on these things are big. Yeah, so I just want to do a little bit of things here and there. Do want to get a tuner for it.
outlaw, they're coming.
I didn't do it.
They got the lights on it and everything.
Are they really coming?
Yes, they are.
Oh.
We're about to go to jail.
That was you doing first and second gear pulls on.
Yeah, they're going to jail for that.
Yeah.
They're down there waiting.
That was you doing 60 miles an hour in 45.
It's full of Shaggy, wouldn't be?
I did have a lot of history with the car and whatnot, but it's like the car was there, but it wasn't really there, you know. I was just done with it.
Well, you didn't drive it.
Yeah.
I say all that, but I have a car that's doing exactly the same thing.
Now with that Mustang gang,
so you're still in the honeymoon phase.
but even with the 2-valve, like, I really liked that.
Okay.
But this one's so much better.
With G-Pop, it was always something.
Yeah.
Always. No matter what. Even when you were driving it, there was something always broken.
Yeah, it's just,
and it's hard to find shit.
yeah. I just didn't feel like dealing with that anymore. Like somebody came and looked at the Conquest and drove 4 hours, brought down a trailer and everything, and we drove it, and we got back to my house, and he's like, he changed his mind because he just wanted to get something that he can get in and drive. I said, Ben, I completely agree with you. That's what I want to do. That's why I'm trying to sell this.
Yeah. Well, it's understandable.
Yeah. So if if you're thinking about unsubscribing because I don't have the Conquest anymore, it's okay. Go ahead. But I hope that you stick around and see where this new chapter in our S&R motoring life takes us.
I still got the Super. So it's just you.
Yeah, you still got the Super, so we still have that
Rotting in the garage.
we still have that 80s sports car appeal to us. We're gonna check out this car real quick. ST, son. 4G63.
Auto.
Auto. Even better. Pretty rough. $500.
I give $500 for it.
Yeah, it's pretty rough.
Low miles for sale. 96.
Low miles. How many miles does it have? It's either 107,000 or 187,000.
It's a 4G63, so it's on the verge of blowing.
Yeah, I'm sure it's leaking oil somewhere.
I thought they all leaked oil.
They come factory.
Yeah, that's
like
what I
the
thought.
oil leak.
I thought it was impossible to stop them from pushing oil.
Yeah.
Did not. Erase the video.
All right, that's gonna do it. Let us know what you think of the Mach 1. I'm pretty excited about it. I know a lot of people are just gonna say, oh, it's just another Mustang, but
just another Mustang.
Yeah, it's a 4-valve Mustang. But I enjoy it and I love it. So I hope you love it too.
That's all that matters.
Yeah. Anyway, until next time, we should have some more content coming out. Like I said before, I didn't want to really put anything out until the acquisition was in place and completed. But yeah, thank you for watching. Thanks for sticking around with us. We hope you have a very Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.
And a happy, well, we'll probably see you before New Year. Hopefully. I don't know. We'll see how it goes.
Probably take another month off.
But we're back
for like a week. That's
peace.
Bye.